Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you guys are wonderful. And today I'm going to talk about the very famous jade roller. Yes, this thing, this amazing thing which you must have seen 1,000 times on Instagram ads and people raving about it. But this is my time to share my experience with you guys. And is it really worth it? Should you buy it? Or how it works, all of that jazz. And before we just start that, if you haven't, just subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and if you like the content, don't forget to hit that like button. Chalo, let's begin. Okay, so what is a jade roller? Basically, a jade roller is these crystals which have healing properties, or they work wonders for your skin. Basically, it helps you massage your skin better since it's the pandemic and you don't want people to touch your face or come closer to your face, and you don't want to risk yourself, so you can go ahead and use a jade roller to give yourself a massage, and you can be assured that it is working wonders for your skin, because as you feel when your body is getting a massage, you feel so relaxed. Same way it's going to give your skin a massage and make you feel relaxed and will stimulate all that blood circulation. Like they have rose quartz, the jade roller. There are different kinds of crystals which help you in different ways. I am currently using this one. This is the jade roller, and I got it from online. And you must buy it from anywhere, wherever you're going to buy it. You must buy it from an authentic place so that you know whatever you're buying, because there are some cheap replicas also. You don't want to waste your money on that. So be sure wherever you're getting it from, it's an authentic place. So I got it from Nykaa, and I know I have bought a lot of things from there, so it is an authentic one. So I'll list the pricing and everything on the screen. So basically it has a crystal on both the ends. It rolls like this. It helps boost your lymphatic muscles, and that's why you produce collagen, and your skin listens to it, and it starts the cell starts working again. So the blood circulation on your skin also starts working better. And sometimes you must have seen when you have late nights or some tiredness, you have this puffy eyes also. That helps with this. Also, people having some sort of headaches or sinuses, this also helps with that. I am not saying that this is the only solution, but yeah, it does help in curing or maybe putting your skin or your issues to some relief. So now I'm going to share with you how I use the jade roller. Basically, they say that if you put it in a cooler place, or if it is a cooler jade roller, it gives you more relaxation, and it is more beneficial. So sometimes you can put it in the fridge for a few minutes and then you can use it, or you can dip it into the ice for some time and then you can use it. Either ways, it can work for you if you want that cooling effect on your skin. So this is the side that goes onto your eyes, over here under the eyes, because it's a smaller side, so it will work around the eyes better. And this side works for rest of your face and décolleté. So now what I do with it, I'm going to share with you. So basically, first what I do is I just prep my skin. I just clean my face, I prep my skin, apply some a little bit moisturizer you can use, or in my case I usually pair it with some skin oil. Any oil you can use which is just going to penetrate into your skin better, because you are using a jade roller. So I'm going to look into the mirror so that I can apply it on my skin. So it helps penetrate into your skin better only because you are using a jade roller. It will enhance the way it is going to work on your skin. So if you have an acne prone skin like mine, then you can try using it like with a vitamin C or serum which is in the morning, so that it works better to cure your problem. So now when I have just submerged the oil in my skin, so what I do first is I work from my neck towards my chin. So the first step will be me working from here upwards so that the sagging in the skin doesn't happen, and if it is about to happen, it just gets stopped wherever it is, because this is the area which gets most of the sagging. And I think if you start in your 20s, it will help you retain that youthful appearance. Not that look like, if you are mature and if you look older, it's not a bad thing, but you can always take help of such things to make you look more younger and beautiful, supple skin. So you just have to go 3 or 4 times, and then for the next step, I take it from the chin upwards. So you go from here up. You always have to go up in the direction so that your skin has a better blood circulation. Even if you are applying a moisturizer, try to apply it in this fashion only. So 4 or 5 times is enough. Then I hold it from this side and I work my way towards the corner of my ear. So I can already feel the oils are working better because of this. So now I'm going to work under my eye. So that's the area you see. It feels so relaxing. Although I haven't put it in the freezer yet, but still it feels cold because it has the qualities which the crystal helps it to provide relaxation to your skin. Again, for the next part, you have to work it on the eyebrows. Work on your forehead, and don't forget between your eyebrows, your nose, because we usually get our frown lines here. And speaking of lines, we also get our smile lines. So you can see. All it takes is just 5 minutes or maybe less, but you can do it as a ritual 3 or 4 times, if not for the whole week, and you will see a lot of difference in your skin. And I also use sometimes with a face pack, like a sheet mask. If I apply it on my skin and I go on with a jade roller, it gives me so much relaxation and it helps me apply it better on my skin. So it penetrates all the oils on the sheet mask into my skin. Basically, it lifts your skin up and it stops it from sagging in any which way. So if you are anything like me, it will help you with the breakouts also. The skin goes through so much that you need something to penetrate all that oil into your skin better than it already has been doing. So you can close your eyes and work it over the eyes like this. So that's how it works. And it's not a very new concept. It has been there since a very long time, and yeah, it has picked up lately, but I hope this will help you in any which way. And let me know if you have started using it or if you are planning to buy it, because I think it is one of those things which you should add into your beauty skincare regime. If I had known earlier, I would have started in my early 20s. And with that, I will wrap it up. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Take care, love you all. Bye bye.